Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Elementor WordPress Builder, beginner guide step by step clearly. To log into the Elementor WordPress Builder, first, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in your website's URL followed by /wp-admin. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to navigate to the WordPress login page. You will see fields for your username and password. Enter your WordPress username in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you want the browser to remember your login details, check the Remember Me box. Once you've filled in your information, click the Login button. After a few seconds, you will be redirected to your WordPress dashboard. In the left sidebar, look for the Pages option and click on it. This will display a list of all your pages. Find the page you want to edit with Elementor. Hover your cursor over the page title. You will see several options appear beneath the title. Click on the Edit with Elementor link. This will launch the Elementor editor. You can now start customizing your page using the Elementor tools. Explore the various widgets and design options available on the left sidebar. Make any desired changes to your page. Once you're satisfied with your edits, click the green Update button at the bottom. Your changes will be saved, and the page will be updated successfully. You can preview your page by clicking on the eye icon in the bottom left corner. Now, you're ready to enjoy creating with Elementor. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.